Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the new stoplights that are being installed on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now we are out by Grandspen. This is between Albion and Bull Bay. And here you can see stoplights being installed. Now to the straight ahead there now, that's the exit you would take to go to Grandspen. The government built that exit because the main road used to go through Grandspen, but the highway took a new alignment and bypassed Grandspen. So they built that entrance so that you can access Grandspen from the highway. And now this entrance is going to be controlled by stoplights. Actually, all the major exit, well, I don't know if they're actually exit, but all the major, I guess we'll just call them exits. All the exits will be controlled by stoplights. So right there where you see those plastic cones, there's a turning lane. So the road is actually 5 lanes right there, and the turning lane will have you use the turning lane to go to Grandspen when coming from the opposite side. Now I'm hoping that these are modern stoplights, meaning stoplights that use the latest technology, because you have stoplights where it are controlled by sensors in the ground. So if there is no car in the turning lane, then the light should remain green for the height. In other words, the stoplight won't stop traffic on the road for the car to turn. Now right here is another, I don't want to use the word exit, but they're going to put another set of stoplights right here. There you can see the sign, because there is a turn here as well to go to the old road. Now it also has a turning lane, so basically everywhere that has a turning lane to leave the highway, then you have a stoplight controlling it for all the major thoroughfares. When you say exit, because you don't really have stoplights at exits, although we've asked a question about why have stoplights on a highway, and a lot of people, especially those that live in other countries, said it's normal to have stoplights on highways. So all the major turning lanes will have stoplights, and as I said earlier, you have stoplights that are controlled by sensors in the ground. So when a car comes into the turning lane to turn, it activates the sensor, and then that will stop. The street lights will then turn red on the main road, allowing the car will then get the green arrow, allowing them to turn. Very modern. So if there's no car there's no reason to stop the traffic. If there's no car in the turning lane, no reason to stop traffic on the road. Now this is a turn to Mesga Gardens, but you notice there's the turn to go to Mesga Gardens. There's a straight Jersey barrier there. There's no break in it, so you can only access Mesga Gardens from this direction going up. There is no break in a Jersey barrier, so I guess they did it to control the flow of traffic. Now out here there is no sign, but there's going to be a stoplight out here, so I guess if you're coming in the opposite direction, I'm not sure how the access to Mesga Gardens will go from this point, but there's going to be a stoplight right where we switched over a while ago, and quite a few stoplights on this road. We're going to have to see how it works out when the road is officially opened and the lights commissioned, because it's a lot of street lights. But nonetheless, this is progress. Now coming up here on the left is going to be another turning lane, so it's going to be controlled by stoplights. So we'll keep you guys updated as they install more of these street lights. Only the street lights by Grandspen have been installed. Others haven't been installed yet, but the ones by Grandspen, where the video started, they are not commissioned into service yet. So we'll keep you guys updated, and let us know what you think about these stoplights by the turning lanes. let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.